Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm having my tea right over here. I'm not a coffee person. I just love having tea. So I'm having my tea right over here and I just thought of doing some makeup with you guys. Before starting this video, I just want to address few things for you guys. We all are in this present situation going on and we have to stay very careful. In this present situation, the least we can do is stay in our home. We have to think about everyone else, for our country, for this world, for each and every one of us. We just cannot be selfish and we just cannot think about our life or our family. We have to think about everyone else. So for that reason, you have to be very careful. Everyone is in panic and everyone is very scared. We don't know what's next. We don't know that. Listen what doctors are saying. Just listen what government is saying. Just stay in your home. That's the safest place you can be in this world. And just not for yourself, as I already mentioned, just for everyone else. Be very safe. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. That does not mean you're going to leave the tap open for 20 seconds. Just do not create another crisis. Watch Netflix, movies, just watch YouTube, and that's the reason why I'm trying to film as much as I can so that I can also entertain you guys a little bit. Just scrolling through my Instagram and I just saw, you guys probably know Nikki Makeup. She is a very talented and amazing celebrity makeup artist and I just love her. So I was just checking out her Instagram and I just saw this picture right over here. Not only this picture, I was really confused before which one I'm gonna recreate, but I was like, okay, I should recreate this picture right over here. I don't know, the eyes are so good, like it's very bright and colorful, and I don't know, I just want to create a very happy makeup tutorial for you guys. So I know that does not make any sense, but I just want some color. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Let's do this. First of all, I know that she always focus on skincare, so that's what I am going to do first. For my skincare, I'm going to use this particular product right over here. Obviously, I'm going to add my touch a little bit. I just want it that way. I am going to use this particular product right over here. This one is from Bellflower. This is a Korean brand, and this one is their brightening serum. So I am going to use this all over my face first. I can see her skin contains a beautiful glow, so I'm just going to use this particular serum right over here. If you do not have this product, you can go for any brightening serum that you have. You do not need to particularly use this product, obviously. So you just can use anything that you have. You have a brightening serum from Mamaearth as well, so you can just use that one as well. So before doing my base makeup, I'm gonna do my eyes, and first of all, I'm gonna prime my eyes with a concealer. For my concealer, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. You guys know this is my absolute favorite concealer. I'm gonna use it all over my eyelid. You can definitely go with the eyeshadow primer. Okay, now to achieve this eye makeup look, I am going to use few different kind of eyeshadow palettes because I don't have like a particular eyeshadow palette where I will get the exact blue color. So I have to use different kind of eyeshadow palettes, but you can obviously go with any eyeshadow palette that you have. If you want to recreate this look, you can go with any blue shade that you have. For my eye makeup look, first I'm gonna use this Ucanbe eyeshadow palette. This one is the Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette, and you have pretty much all colors you need. So I am just going to use this set of blue right over here. As I can see, I have to use a little bit of sky blue, like a deeper sky blue first here, and after that I am going to bring it down and I have to do a lot of blending and stuff. So okay, first of all, I'm gonna start with a brush like this. This is kind of a fluffy brush, but not too much big. So I am going to take this color right over here and I'm gonna mix it with this particular color right over here. I don't know how it will look, but okay, we can just give it a try. And I'm just going to start blending right from here. I'm gonna change my brush a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of smaller brush like this, and I am gonna walk with this right over here. Now I am going to take a flat kind of brush like this, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to like make this portion more deeper, but I'm slightly going to blend it out upwards as well, just to have a like smooth kind of blending. You guys can see that I have to cut out my crease a little bit. You do not have to be very perfect, but just cut out your crease, because obviously you're going to blend in everything together. So just cut out your crease, and after that you have to add some white as well. Brush like this. I'm going to take the same concealer from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to cut out my crease. I'm trying to create it with my own touch as well. So I'm going to take this particular blue and I'm going to take the same round small brush like this, and I'm going to make this area a little bit more deeper, and I'm going to smudge the lines. Now we have this right over here, a huge mess, but I'm gonna take this white shade. This one is from Nelf Cosmetics. I'm gonna take a flat brush like this again, and I'm going to use it all over my cut crease. I'm not gonna take too much because I also have to mix some blue as well. So I'm just going to use this. From Swiss Beauty. I don't know, I'm going to link it down below. I'm going to take this blue shade right over here, a little bit, not too much, and I am going to mix it with the white shade. I can see a very small eyeliner kind of thing, so that's the reason why I'm gonna take a little bit of eyeliner. Use this eyelashes from this brand, and I'm gonna mention the brand right in the description box below. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some mascara. This one is from Maybelline. So I'm just going to use it, and I'm gonna blend my actual lashes with the eyelash. I'm gonna do my lower lash line afterwards. First, I am gonna do my foundation, and I am gonna use this Rimmel London Match Perfection foundation. This one is in light nude, and this is a very beautiful dewy foundation, which I personally really like. So I'm just gonna use it all over my face. My concealer, I'm going to take the same Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm going to use it. Oof, this is almost over. I have to use a new concealer. Almost over. I have to use another one, so I'm using this one from Miss Clear. This one is their Fake It concealer, and I'm just going to use it up till here. Set my concealer using the Blue Heaven setting powder to set my concealer well. add some bronzer. This one is from LA Color. It's very bronzed, so I'm gonna bronze up my skin a little bit. Take my brush like this, and I'm also going to bronze my nose a little bit. I'm gonna take my blush from Nelf USA. Not see too much blush on her face, but I am still going to use it a little bit. I'm going to do my lower lash line, and I will take a smaller brush like this, and I'm just going to use the same blue color right over here. Yeah, this is what my makeup is looking right now, and I'm loving it. How my eyes are looking so blue. So I'm looking very matte right now. That's why I'm gonna use a highlighter. I'm gonna use this one from Wet n Wild. I'm just going to use a lot of highlighter. Oh my god, yes. This is their Orosa Butter Lipstick, and I'm gonna mix both of this together because as I can see, she have a very glowing, like a very glossy kind of lips, but I do not want to use a lip gloss. I'm going to use this too because this actually contains a lot of gloss. I'm going to use this nude shade. So I paired this up with this hairstyle. I know I'm looking very weird. Yeah, I just created this look for you guys. It's close enough, and I just created it with my own touch, not the exact same. This is not exactly what eye makeup is, but I just created it with my own touch a little bit, and I'm really happy with the result. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys so much. Stay safe, and yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.